Earth is away. It's losing its nutrients.
The water pollution are oil spillage. The ships spill oil into the ocean, and humans throwing non-biodegradable waste into the ocean also pollutes it. And the industrial sewers that get throwing lots of garbage and plastics. We make sure it's biodegradable before we throw it, and we should stop our oil spillage.
Super. Thank you.
And the industries put out smoke from their huge pipes, and the cars and other vehicles put out smoke when the air gets polluted. Public transportation, industries have to treat their waste properly.
Okay.
And we can use electric cars if possible.
Okay.
Heat comes to the earth, and there's a layer called the ozone layer. The earth is protected from the ultraviolet rays.
Okay. So why is the ozone layer depleting now?
Because the men cut trees and uses more coolants. The coolants are CFC.
Chlorofluorocarbons. Okay.
So the sun does this rays, all the infrared rays, it goes through the greenhouse gas in the atmosphere, then gets absorbed and it reflects to Earth,
And
warms the Earth, and it's called
causes global warming. So how can we avoid this?
by not cutting too much trees.
By
Non-biodegradable actually plastic, so the Earth won't take.
So they don't get decomposed in the soil. What about biodegradable?
They decompose in the soil, but the Earth will take it.
So it is a friend to earth. Examples of biodegradable?
Yeah, plants and fruits like
Waste. Okay. What are non-biodegradable items?
plastic.
Very good.
Trees, and we don't plant so much trees, and we keep on making man-made things, and also there's a lot of plastic, a lot of artificial things.
So the temperature of the earth?
Goes high.
Okay.
So the cause is the temperature of the earth, and the tectonic plates get disturbed, so it forms earthquakes.
Volcanoes are caused whenever the Earth's temperature becomes so high because of so many trees being cut down.
Okay.
Then the volcano erupts and all lava.
Yes. How does a plant need to grow?
Soil, sun, water.
Very good. What is deforestation?
Cutting.
Okay. What is afforestation? Planting more trees. Okay. What does earth need? Should you plant more or should you remove more?
Plant.
More trees. Very